In this short video, we'll walk you through how two-step authentication, or 2SA, works in Unleashed, and how you can set it up to keep your account secure. Two-step authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your login by requiring your password and a 6-digit code generated by an authenticator app on your device. Setup generally takes just a few minutes and ensures only you can access your Unleashed account. Before getting started, make sure you have your Unleashed email and password, a smartphone or computer with an authenticator app installed, and an alternative email address for recovery. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to set up 2SA. You will need to install your preferred authenticator app, scan the QR code shown on screen, or choose Enter manually to type in the setup key. Your authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this into Unleashed, then add your alternative email address. Click Send Verification Code, then enter the code you received by email. Select Got It to complete the setup. Each time you log in, you will need to enter your email and password, open your authenticator app, and enter the current 6-digit code. On trusted devices, you can choose Remember Me for 30 days, so you don't need to authenticate at every login for that duration of time. If you can't access your authenticator app, select Lost Your Mobile Device to receive a one-time login code via your alternative email. If a user needs to reset their 2SA, click on Settings, Security, and then Users. Open the action cog next to the user and select Reset 2SA. The user will be prompted to set it up again at their next login. Here's some tips for success. Keep your alternative email accessible. It acts as your backup. Avoid sharing your authentication codes. Test your setup by signing out and back in. Two-step authentication helps keep your Unleashed account secure and ensures only authorized users can access your data. Thanks for watching.